Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Church expresses displeasure over the RP 2021 demands rectification of the plan, asks government to revoke NOCs given for constructions. Poor response in Goa to the Bandh call by All India Traders Association. Most of the shops stay open in Goa. GCCI welcomes FDI in retail market. Vishwajit Rane challenges notification of Madhe Wildlife Sanctuary, prays for quashing of the notification. HC issues notices to CS and top officials. CM Kamath and GPCC President Shirodkar to meet High Command to discuss election plan. CM to invite PM and other union ministers for Liberation Day. And India spinner Pragyan Ojha confident of getting selected for Australia tour. Hyderabad man backs his chances after successful comeback series against West Indies. And now the news in detail. Church has expressed displeasure over the Regional Plan 2021. They have demanded rectification of the plan as per the suggestions from different Gram Sabhas. They have asked the government to revoke NOCs given for construction. They want government to start the rectification work from 15 December.
Are not accepted in the present form in consonance with Goa Land Development and Building Constructions Regulations 2010 must be suspended till the process of rectification is completed. The remedial process must be initiated by the 15th December 2011.
Church feels that suggestions by the Gram Sabhas are not considered while preparing Regional Plan 2021. They claim that some of the politicians have vested interest in the plan. Father Maverick has demanded that Goa Land Development Building Construction Regulation 2010 should be suspended.
The Gram Sabhas across Goa have rejected the present version of the RP 2021, which only reflects the frustration and disappointment of the people at being betrayed by the government. The CSAP, while disagreeing the RP 2021 in its present form, urges the government of Goa to abolish the destructive and controversial planning policies, because the whole exercise has been distorted and as it stands today is a threat to the ecology and the existence of the Goan people, and further compounded with vague, irrational and contradictory planning policies and laws.
On the other side, Goa Bachao Abhiyan has demanded that the suggestion made by various Gram Sabhas should be included in the Regional Plan 2021 as soon as possible, without any delay.
All corrections have to be made in a definite time period. January 31st was given as the date. We want the corrections to happen before this, because if the elections are announced, then government will not be able to notify, because the code of conduct will come. So we are very keen that the corrections happen before that. As far as the corrections are concerned in 2021, it is possible. We do not want the plan to go back to 2001.
A reporter from Panchi, Devidas Kambli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
The Bandh call by the All India Traders Association received poor response in Goa. They have objected to foreign direct investment in retail market. Most of the retailers and shops were seen functioning at normal pace in the state. Shopkeepers said that they will oppose the giant malls in the market. However, GCCI has welcomed union government's decision of FDI in retail.
All India Bandh called by the Traders Association received poor response in the state. Small retailers, large wholesalers and other entrepreneurs kept their shops open. Shops in major cities like Panji, Madgaon, Vasco, Mapsa were seen operating as per their routine schedule. Retailers feel that foreign direct investment in retail should not be permitted. BJP had supported the Bandh called by the Traders Association, but on Thursday there was no response to their call. The retailers informed that they were unaware of the Bandh, but they fear entry of giant malls like the Walmart in the market. They would sternly oppose them.
पयली हांगा आमच्या गोंयांत जर बंद करतले आसले जाल्यार एक 5-6 दीस पयलीं तरी लोकांक कळूंक जाय आसलें की तुमी सगळे जाण गोंयकार शॉपां तुमची बंद दवरा म्हणून, कारण आमकांच लुकसाण आसा. पूण असो कोण एक रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह कोण तयार जावं ना आनीक कोणी आमकां अशें हें करूंक ना न्ही, सांगूंकूय ना न्ही. पूण गोंयान हांगा तुमी पळोवंक गेल्यार एकूच मॉल आयज जाल्यार पणजेन ताजो इफेक्ट जाता. एकूच मॉल आयज जाल्यार म्हणजे अशें जर प्रत्येक हातून जर मॉलां आयज जाल्यार आमकां रिटेल आसा ते काबार जातले.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तेंच्यांनी कितें केलां की FDI ही 10 लाख लोक वस्ती आसा त्याच सिटीनी येवची अशें आसा. पूण अशी लोक वस्ती आमच्या गोंयांत तरी खंय ना. पूण तरी सुद्दां तेंच्यांनी तर हांगासर फोर्स केलो की हांगासर हे वॉलमार्ट सारकेले येतले जाल्यार आमी ताका खर विरोध करतले. ऑल गोवा बंद सुद्दां आमी ट्रेड सगळे करतले आनी ते कशेंच हांगासर जावपाक दिवचे ना.
However, GCCI has supported the FDI and opposed the Bandh called by the Traders Association.
So you prefer FDI in retail sector?
Yeah, but that is for a limited, in the retail sector also if it comes, these retailers will not be able to sustain in a place like Goa, right? It could be in metro cities, where it will be limited. So these retail sector which will come only in the metros and the limited here, where the people who are in that segment would be able to enjoy the benefits of those. So it's I feel that there is no harm in getting this DIS in retail sector, which will benefit for the inflow of the funds, as well as it will also increase the job opportunities for the locals.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Valpoe MLA Vishwajit Rane has challenged the notification of Madai Wildlife Sanctuary. Around 44.27 square kilometers of land comprising of more than 28 villages was notified in 1999 during President's rule. Petitioner Rane has prayed for quashing of the notification. High Court has issued notices to the Chief Secretary and concerned top officials. Valpoe MLA and Health Minister Vishwajit Rane has filed a writ petition at the Bombay High Court at Goa challenging notification of Madai Wildlife Sanctuary. Vishwajit has challenged the 1999 notification during President's rule by Governor Lieutenant General J.F.R. Jacob, declaring 28 villages in Sattari under Madai Wildlife Sanctuary. The petition states that challenge 1999 notification on Madai Wildlife Sanctuary, more than 28 villages in Sattari as Madai Wildlife Sanctuary, prayer to quash and set aside 1999 notification pending, hearing keep notification in abeyance, inhabitants suffering due to notification for the past 10 years, allow affected villagers to build, repair houses, construct roads, development and cultivation, no availability of firewood as area is kept out of bounds, government failed to rehabilitate affected villages, notification issued without research, study or data, construction of Chavarne Dam held up due to notification, dam needed as villagers suffer due to lack of potable water, government failed to protect rights of inhabitants. Karapurkar committee recommended exclusion of 81.79 square kilometers from limits of proposed Madai Wildlife Sanctuary. Apart from filing application before Supreme Court, government has not taken any step to denotify sanctuary. High Court has issued notices to the Chief Secretary, Forest Secretary, Chief Conservator of Forest and Conservator of Forest. The petition is expected for next hearing after 2 weeks. A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez. It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.